Hello and welcome back to Freestyle American English. Today you will learn 20 simple questions with the answers. We will practice phrases about prepositions and locations. You will listen carefully to me, then you will repeat after me. And don't forget to speak out loud. Let's go. Prepositions. Where's the book? Where's the book? On the table. On the table. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Under the chair. Under the chair. Where is the pitcher? Where is the pitcher? Above the sofa. Above the sofa. Where is the man? Where is the man? Behind the door. Behind the door. Where is the park? Where is the park? Between the school and the bank. Between the school and the bank. Where are the balls? Where are the balls? Where are the balls? Next to the box. Next to the box. Where is the teacher? Where is the teacher? In front of the class. In front of the class. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Beside the man. Beside the man. Where is the phone? Where is the phone? On the nightstand. On the nightstand. Where is the food? Where is the food? In the bag. In the bag. Now let's do locations. Where do you live? Where do you live? In a house. In a house. Where is the kitchen? Where is the kitchen? Next to the living room. Next to the living room. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Down the hall. Down the hall. Where is the bank? Where is the bank? On Main Street. On Main Street. Where is the store? Where is the store? Near the bus stop. Near the bus stop. Where is the cafe? Where is the cafe? Opposite the library. Opposite the library. Where is the school? Where is the school? Next to the park. Next to the park. Where is the bus station? Where is the bus station? Near the corner. Near the corner. Where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket? Across from the post office. Across from the post office. Where is the cinema? Where is the cinema? Behind the mall. Behind the mall. Great job. Remember to listen again, repeat the sentences, practice every day. The more you practice, the faster you will learn English. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Thanks, and see you next lesson.